This is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing. For today's tech tip, I'm going to be showing you how to restore an archived or lost opportunity. We are going to start by signing into command, and that is agent.kw.com. Once we have signed in with our Keller Williams login credentials, I am first going to show you how to restore a lost opportunity. To do that, we are going to navigate to the Opportunities applet within command. Once we are in the Opportunities applet, we are going to click All Opportunities at the top. And I am going to filter by Lost Opportunities. Once I do that, I can see all of my lost opportunities, and I can select the one that I would like to restore. Once I do that, you're going to see a little toggle up at the top right corner, and it will say Lost Opportunity. We are going to select that toggle off, and then we're going to click Save. Once we do that, it will restore it to our opportunities pipeline. Next, I'm going to show you how to restore an archived opportunity. So we're going to navigate over to the drop-down menu under our name. We're going to click Settings. And then on the left-hand side, we are going to select Command Settings, and then Opportunity Settings. And then once we have done that, we are going to click Opportunity Archive. Once we are here, we are going to once again see a list of all of our opportunities that have been archived, and we are going to click Restore next to the one that we want back. Once we do that, it will restore it to our opportunities pipeline. We'll navigate back over to opportunities so you can see that. Once again, all opportunities, and you can see right here both of the opportunities that I just restored. If you have any questions or run into any snags, please reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we will be happy to help.